If you're a girl, let me show you how this can save your life. Door opens, closed. This is a door stopper alarmer. Put it on your door, twist it. If you're someone that travels a lot by themselves, or if you're on vacation, hotels, Airbnb, it's not gonna open. And the best part, there's an alarm. If you wait 5 seconds, it's gonna turn on anytime it feels a vibration. So if someone tries to come in, it goes up to 85 decibels. This is super small, super compact, super cheap, but this little thing could save your life. So if you wanna get this, I'm gonna link it right here for you.